Have you ever heard someone say, you got to stop pushing the river? I had a friend who was trying to get his life back together again. And he kept saying that he needed to stop pushing the river. See, what he was really saying was that life was taking him in the right direction, but he kept fighting the right direction. He kept trying to push the river. It's kind of like, first you have to quit trying to play God. That like you've got all the answers and everything, you know everything. Because when you stop playing God, things start to go right again. You stop living the problem and start living the solution. So maybe what you need to do today is to stop pushing the river and let God be God and you be you. So don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. And if you like what you're hearing, don't forget to share. Take care. Bye.